Welcome back, YouTube viewers and subscribers. Today I'm going to go ahead and get these 6x9s installed to those saddlebags that I did last video. I've had one person hit me out and said that I need to change the music tracks and find a neutral music zone, I guess. If you got any ideas on that, shoot me a hint or something like that, or an opinion or something that you might have in mind that I could use down there. If that means it's gonna get people to be engaged with the videos, I'm all for it. First things first, what you want to do is you want to move everything off from out of your way. You don't want to be overwhelmed with so much stuff that you got going on that, you know what I'm saying, you just slow down and you stop because your brain and your visual is taking in too much. Since it has a bridge, you want to go ahead and do everything you need to do with your tweeter first. So, you know what I mean? So, hooking this guy up in here and getting everything done first with the crossover is the best thing to do, because you don't want to get this 6x9 put into there because your grill sits over it like so, and this sits up inside under that grill. So if you put this 6x9 in first, in order to get this bridge and this tweeter wired up right, you're gonna have to keep removing the 6x9 and all that, and then you're just gonna be stressing the screw holes that's holding in the speaker itself. So just FYI. All right, so after you get everything laid out, let's start with the simplest stuff first. So we know this is an output to the mid. All right, so let's go. This is positive, this is negative. Let's go ahead and hook those guys up, all right? No need to over torque these things, just tighten up. Whew, that's a mean magnet. Sorry, my big dumb hand is in the way. Now I know that this goes to my crossover lead. It'll hook in right here. So I know that that's where that goes. I would mark it, but they make it easy. So I got 2 white ends, 2 black ends. Goes to my tweeters. So that's kind of self-explanatory. All right, now moving on. Here are my tweeter wires. And they also give you, I don't know if you can see these well, a 90, or they'll give you a straight shot. I'm gonna use the 90 because I'm just special like that. All right, I'm taking my saddlebag lid off here. Shout out to Riding and Wrenching, Papa D Rides, and Barber CVO19. I haven't heard anything from him in a minute, but I'm sure he's still around. Don't throw these away. You're gonna need these. You're gonna have one on top, and you're gonna have one on the bottom. All right. And notice also how I don't just take the whole thing off, because otherwise it'd be sticking to everything and you'd be sitting here and you'd be cursing and doing everything else. So just take your time putting it on. Now the other one goes on this side, but I'm not going to put it on there first, because what I want to do is place this, scooch this over. Place this in its right orientation here. All right, so that's made it up there. And yes, I put down paper towels on here because it's better than using a towel, because for one, if you're married, your wife won't want you using all of the bathroom towels and everything. So also these gaskets, they have little perforated holes in them. Go ahead and punch those out on shelf paper. If you understand what I just said by the shelf paper comment I just made, write down in the comments where I got that from. And when I'm putting the gasket down, I'm not stretching it, just letting it fall down. Just let it relax and fall in its place. Because if you stretch it, you risk it trying to pull back. And you don't want that to happen. So have those made it on there. I got clear access. Now what I want to do is take my 6x9 and have it in the correct orientation. All right, so you don't want to put it like so, because then you gotta zip tie and get the wire all back behind you, which is dumb, you know what I mean? So don't do that. Just put it in there the correct way. Then it comes with the correct screws. Hopefully in the other video I told you about those screws. If not, go ahead and click the video before this one. Once you get the screws pretty much seated, put the drill down. Pick up your actual Phillips, hand torque them in. Right. All right, now that I got that back in there, I need to go ahead and put the lid back on the saddlebag. And I can tell this is gonna be involved, because now that the lid has that 6x9 in it, it's a lot heavier. Clutch side done. Now for the brake side. Well, it is 2:38 a.m. and I would have had this done a lot quicker, but I'm in here and I'm watching, like I said, I watched Popeye the Sailor Man on Amazon. It's a nice little horror, you should check it out. And now I'm watching Meg 2 or 3 or whatever it is, I don't know. But I keep stopping and I keep watching the movie because, hey, it's going in, well, it is winter, so it's cold here in this environment, so it's not like I'm gonna be out riding a bike, so I'm taking my sweet time to do this. But I do thank y'all for coming in and watching the video, and remember to hit that like, subscribe to the channel, and maybe fresh tomorrow morning I'll start off on maybe doing the front fairing speakers or something like that. But until then, like I said, I appreciate y'all for being here. Peace.